For years, migrating Power BI reports into other BI platforms is time-consuming and error-prone. But what if one prompt could do it for you with an AI skill? Let me show you how. So first, let's go to the conceptual mapping to learn why does it work. The fact is, Power BI and Holistics share some similar building blocks. A Power BI semantic model is the same idea as holistic datasets. DAX measures map to AQL metrics, and reports map to Canvas dashboards. Both sides describe the same things, so translating between them is mostly a mapping task. And Holistics has a focus skill, which guides the AI agent through the concepts between both platforms and produce the right Holistics artifact. In the demo today, I will do it with the help of a coding agent. So right now I'm in Cloud Code with the Holistics Migrate Power BI skill, and I'm just going to give it a plain English prompt. Holistics Migrate Power BI skill. Migrate this Power BI project into Holistics and hit enter.